Hello family, Sir here. In this video, we are going to take a look at two properties from who I believe is one of the most underrated builders right here in the Charlotte area. Stick around. Now, this builder has communities all throughout the Charlotte area, and I don't think they get enough recognition or they're not talked about enough, and I haven't been doing my job as well, sharing with you who I believe this is. All of their floor plans, or at least the ones I've seen, are very functional, and just their finishes. Their finishes are top notch. Now, I look at properties all day, whether investment properties or houses for my clients, and many people don't notice little things, but when you come across a quality builder, it is quite obvious. And this builder is a quality builder. So come with me, let's go tour these properties, and then at the end of the video, I will share with you who the builder is and where you can find some new opportunities where they're building. Let's go. All right, now this is a 4-bedroom, over 3,000 square feet. Actually, both of the houses are 4 bedrooms and over 3,000 square feet. Now this was taken on a 360-degree camera, so you will see some weird angles and some light flickering. It's just, you can't avoid it. If you want to see what the 360 video looks like or is uploaded, please reach out to me. I can upload those as well. I just realized a lot of people don't like 360 videos on their phones. Now we passed the formal dining area as well as an office. Then you just have this great room. It's just perfect for entertaining because you have the kitchen right here, large island, tons of counter space, 9-foot ceilings with the recessed lighting. Let's go outside or look at the patio area. You can choose to have it screened in. Butler's pantry right here. This is another look at the formal dining. Look at that, just again, perfect for entertaining. Now this is your pantry, very large pantry. And then you have this, a true guest suite downstairs. If you have family members who you want to live with that don't want to go upstairs, this is a perfect room for them. You have a large walk-in closet and they have their own private bathroom right here. Now let's head upstairs. This home gets tons of natural light as well. And when you get to the top of the stairs, you have your first kids room. What I love about this builder is that everybody has their own space. You have a walk-in closet, nice size room. But in addition to this room, you also have your own private bathroom. Now let's go check out the sitting area or loft area upstairs. Look at this. Now you have the living room downstairs if you want to entertain guests and everything, but this space is just perfect for the family to get together in the evening. It's just tons of space. Check out the other kids' room, nice size. Then you have this bathroom right here, dual vanity sinks, shower tub combo. Again, you have a dual vanity sink, but there's really only one bedroom up here that doesn't have its own bathroom. Then this is the owner's suite. Spacious, feels grand with those 9-foot ceilings. Let's go into the owner's bathroom. Dual vanity sinks, large tub with a nice size shower, not the largest. Let's take a look at this tub. Now, this right here, I believe it is the largest closet I've seen this year. You have this side as well as this side. Now look, I know people have lots of clothes, but if you can't fit all your clothes in this closet, I will personally help you pack so we can take some stuff to Goodwill. Now, this is your laundry room. Now onto the second property, same builder. You might have saw the name right there. You come in, we're gonna come back to that, but you come in, you have a grand entry, and then you have an office right here, which could be a guest suite if you wanted it to be. You have a formal dining area. Again, sorry for the light flickers. It was taken on a 360 camera. And then you have just the open great room. Again, you have 9-foot ceilings, and just if you're entertaining, this is a perfect layout because you have the kitchen, the oven, the island, a table, and then the living room all right there. See the built-in oven right there in the wall. Have a whole separate counter for wine. See the wine cooler underneath there. Then you have the covered lanai. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at this entrance again because I didn't pay it enough time and attention. Now let's head upstairs. Now you have this loft area right here. have this bedroom. Now this is technically the first bedroom, but again, that study downstairs could be turned into a guest suite. You have a private bath right here. Now let's go check out the other two guest rooms or children's rooms. Nice size, and they have a Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, I'm sorry for the light flickers. I know I already mentioned it, but I have to say sorry. I went to go film this again, or wanted to go film this again, because I couldn't get those flickers down or reduced even in the edit process. But all the models are closed right now because model homes, and these are model homes, are closed right now because there is no inventory, or at least there wasn't any last week. Again, that was the owner's suite we just looked at, and this is the owner's bathroom. Large shower. You have a large tub right there, as well as the dual vanity. And this is your walk-in closet. We're not done yet. We're not done. This home has a whole another floor. Let's go take a look at this owner's suite right here. Head on out. You have the laundry room right outside the owner's suite right here. Now let's go up to that third floor. And this right here I've seen configured in a couple ways. One of my clients made this into a movie room. Then a friend of mine actually turned this area into their office. So you stuck around this far. The builder is Taylor Morrison. And then, again, they have several communities throughout Charlotte, and their pricing starts off in the low 300s. Now, the properties I showed you just now are both 4 bedrooms and over 3,000 square feet. And you can get those, depending on the location, starting off in the low 4s. And currently, inventory is very tight, and there's not a lot of lots to go around, but they will be releasing some lots in 2 communities. One is the Hutton Forest community in Concord, which is about 5 to 10 minutes away from Concord Mills. And they'll also have some lots open at the Pinnacle at Northreach. Now that is in South Charlotte. I know the name is Northreach, but it's in South Charlotte, which is right outside the Palisades, but you'll have access and memberships to the Palisades Country Club if you join or get into that community. If you like these properties or any other properties in the greater Charlotte area, please go ahead and reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you and advise you throughout the process so we can find a home that is perfect for your needs. I'm Sir Ashley, your Charlotte area real estate advisor. Talk soon.